Open the program interface and create a new program. First, set a save point and use the merge instruction. Then set the starting point of welding or use the merge instruction. Click More Commands and select the Laser Welding Start command. Click OK to set the laser welding path. Use Move All Line instructions to set the path. The welding speed is about 7 to 8. Finally, set the laser welding end instruction. Set a save point above the end of the weld. If we want to adjust the laser welding power, here you can modify the laser power, duty cycle, frequency and other values.